Hello everyone, welcome back to Stoic Wisdom today. You've done everything you could. You planned, you acted, you gave it your best. But things didn't go your way. So now what? Do you keep pushing? Do you fight reality? Or do you give up? The Stoics offered a third path, one that's often misunderstood. They called it acceptance, not from weakness but from strength. Today we'll explore the difference between surrender and apathy, and how to practice true Stoic acceptance without losing your purpose, power, or peace. Let's begin. Part 1. What Stoic acceptance really means. People often think acceptance means I don't care anymore, there's nothing I can do. Whatever happens, happens. But that's not Stoicism, that's apathy. And apathy is the death of the soul. Stoic acceptance means I've done what I can. I surrender what's beyond my control, and I continue to act with virtue, no matter the result. As Epictetus said, make the best use of what is in your power and take the rest as it happens. This isn't giving up, it's letting go, so you can act freely, not fearfully. Part 2. Surrender alt apathy. Let's break it down. Apathy says it doesn't matter. Why bother? Whatever. Apathy is numb, passive, hopeless. It gives up before the effort. Stoic surrender says, I've done my part. The outcome isn't mine to own. Now I will accept what comes with grace. Surrender is awake, peaceful, focused. It releases after the action, not before. Marcus Aurelius led a nation at war, while reminding himself daily, don't demand that things happen as you wish, but wish for things to happen as they do. That's not apathy, that's mastery of response. Part 3. Why acceptance is a superpower. When you truly accept what you can't control, you stop wasting energy on blame and bitterness. You become calmer under pressure. You act from clarity, not compulsion. You move forward, not in anxiety, but in alignment. As Seneca said, fate leads the willing and drags the unwilling. Acceptance lets you be led, not dragged. Part 4. How to practice Stoic acceptance without losing your fire. 1. Do your duty, then detach. Define your role, play it fully, then release the outcome. Say to yourself, my part is action, nature decides the rest. This mindset protects your energy and your dignity. 2. Name what you can't control, then let go. Example, you can't control the weather, you can't control how others see you, you can't control who gets the job offer. Write it down. Accept it fully. Then ask, what can I influence today? That shift creates power. 3. Turn every outcome into opportunity. Marcus Aurelius wrote, the impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Didn't get what you wanted? Ask, what lesson lives here? What strength is being developed in me? Acceptance doesn't mean the end of effort. It means the beginning of wisdom. 4. Stay engaged without attachment. You can love deeply, work passionately, fight fiercely, and still say, I am not owed the outcome. This is freedom in action. Part 5. Examples of Stoic surrender in real life. In relationships, I'll love you truly, but I won't control you. In career, I'll do the work, but I won't stake my worth on a promotion. In loss, I grieve, but I also accept what nature has taken. This is not emotional detachment, it's emotional integrity. Part 6. Quotes to ground your acceptance. Simak Pry. Freedom is the only worthy goal. It is won by disregarding things beyond our control. Epictetus. He who has given his best has no regret. Seneca. Receive without pride. Let go without attachment. Marcus Aurelius. Conclusion. The calm that comes after the storm. You are not here to bend the universe to your will. You are here to show up fully and then surrender fully. Acceptance is not quitting, it's trusting. Trusting that you've done your part. Trusting that life unfolds beyond your reach, but never beyond your ability to respond. So next time life doesn't go your way, pause, breathe, let go, and say, I accept, not because I'm weak, but because I'm wise. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom today. If this message brought peace to a restless part of you, subscribe, and share it with someone who's fighting what they can't change. And until next time, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay stoic.